How to replace the O-ring on a G.I. Joe figure. Just turn the body over, get a small screwdriver, turn counterclockwise, move the screw, screw out, pull the back out. That's released. The old O-ring is still there, so just get rid of that. You don't need that anymore. Broken. So what I want to do is use the back part. So obviously put the head back in and the arms back in. So that's ready. So get the legs. Just remove the waist. You see you got that hook there. Put the new O-ring in over the hook. And then put the waist back on. And through. There you go. So I'm going to put the O-ring over the middle point here where we put the screw. Have the front bit ready. Just put it over. Pull it down. Just hold in place. Just get the front bit. And sort of hold over the head like this. Push it down. There we go. It's all in place. Holding everything together. Turn it round. Get your screw. Back in place. Clockwise. Tighten up. And you're ready to go.